There's a light, a certain kind of light, never did shine down on me. I want my life to be, to live with you. So listen very carefully, or close now, and you will see what I mean. Children behave, that's what they say when we're together. You ask me if there'll come a time when I grow tired of you. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. There were birds on a hill, but I never heard them ring. Ring, 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 ring. If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Love this song, 1965. They say we're young and we don't know, won't find out until we grow. Give me a ticket for an aeroplane, ain't got time to take a fast train. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Here we go. Hey, where did you go? Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right. Jenny, Jenny, who can I turn to? Come on the sloop, John B., my grandfather and me. I feel it in my fingers, I feel it in my toes. Well, bye-bye love, bye-bye happiness, hello loneliness, I think I'm gonna cry. Have I told you lately that I love you? Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Hey, don't write yourself off yet. It's only in your head you feel left out or looked down on. I said, hey, you, get off of my cloud. I thought love was only true in fairy tales. If a picture paints 1,000 words, why can't I paint you? I'll pretend that I'm kissing the lips I am missing, and hope that my dreams will come true. Grooving on a Sunday afternoon. Leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? We'll go to the Hotel California, such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Maybe a room at the Hotel California, any time of year. You can find it here. Check out any time you like. Oh, you can never leave. Hey, I've had a lot of fun tonight playing for you guys. I hope you can leave. Anyway, it was a lot of fun. I'm Sounds of the 60s and beyond. And this is the beyond part. You had too much to drink. Good night.